Communities in south central Pennsylvania are recovering tonight after severe weather caused flash flooding across multiple counties, including York County, Franklin, and Lancaster counties. Roads flooded, water rescues, stranded cars, and power outages kept first responders very busy. Thanks so much for joining us for Fox 43 News at 10. I'm Amy Lutz.
I'm Evan Forrester. A severe thunderstorm in Lancaster County this evening brought flooding to parts of the county, including Mount Joy Borough. Flooding that caused plenty of problems and damage. Fox 43's James Corrigan live tonight in Mount Joy with details of a wet and flooded evening.
Well, Evan, we saw basements flooded, cars stranded on the road. The gas station behind me still can't pump gas after its pumps were flooded, all after another thunderstorm wreaked havoc on south central Pennsylvania, making Lancaster County its main focus for the second time in 2 weeks. Mount Joy found itself underwater after a major thunderstorm swept through the borough, leaving residents searching for power and relief for their flooded basements.
The storm had just came in, the power went out, and so the sump pump isn't working, so we have about 15 inches of rain or water in the basement.
The water went high above basement level as well, leaving roads flooded along with many of the yards surrounding them.
Our front yard was very flooded. It was up to like here, my short legs, up past my knees. The whole street, backyard, everything.
The storm wreaked havoc throughout Lancaster County. Route 30 was closed in both directions near the Prospect Road exit as the waters became too dangerous to drive through. Numerous cars found themselves trapped as well, leading to water rescues throughout the day.
We've made numerous rescues from vehicles that are stuck in the water on flooded roadways. We've had a house with a significant wall collapse in the basement. We've had buildings in town that were flooded, where we had to rescue people out of the buildings.
The cleanup is now underway, and after the second major flooding event in about 15 days, officials say they want to hammer home the warnings that were not heeded by some residents today.
When you see floodwater, don't go in it. Turn around, don't drown. We've heard that many times. And we've had a lot of vehicles in water today, and we want to try to avoid that.
And there were as many as over 1,000 people without power, but fortunately that number is down to about 150 right now. And also fortunately, it's not believed that there were any serious injuries from the flooding today. And fortunately for our area, there looks to be a bit of more quieter weather coming our way tomorrow. And for more on that, we check in on Fox 43 Chief Meteorologist Andrea Michaels for tonight's weather impact forecast.